In the depths of the Atlantic late at night, a modern submarine named Explorer slowly descends to the seabed. Carrying a group of scientists and historians, it delves into the mysteries of the deep sea, revealing the sunken remnants of the Titanic. The sight of the shipwreck, illuminated by the submarine's searchlights, brings a heavy sense of history. As images from the Explorer are transmitted back, Pearl reminisces about the story of the Titanic, a tale of dreams, love, and tragedy. In April 1912, under clear skies, the Titanic embarked on its maiden voyage from the bustling port of Southampton. Among the cheering crowd, a young man named Jack stood out. A dreamer and adventurer, Jack had just won a ticket to America. His face radiated a longing for the future and a passion for adventure. As the ship sailed through the calm Atlantic, Jack explored every corner of the Titanic, captivated by its luxury and technological innovations. He often painted on deck, capturing the endless seascape and snapshots of life aboard. It was here that his fate took a dramatic turn. One night, while most passengers had retired to their cabins, Jack walked on deck and stumbled upon a heart-wrenching scene. A young lady named Pearl, standing perilously close to the ship's edge, looked utterly desolate. Coming from a wealthy family, Pearl was elegant yet filled with despair. Without hesitation, Jack approached her, his sincerity and warmth preventing her from making a reckless decision. He grasped her hand and softly said, "There are still so many beautiful things in this world to discover. Don't give up hope." That night, they sat on the deck, sharing their stories. Pearl spoke of her prearranged future and her forced engagement to a wealthy man she did not love. Jack shared his dream of starting anew in America as an artist. Under the stars, Pearl's expression shifted from despair to hope, inspired by Jack's enthusiasm for life and freedom. As the voyage progressed, Jack and Pearl grew closer. They danced at the ship's ball, stargazed on deck, and shared countless joyful moments. Finally, on a romantic evening, they embraced and kissed at the stern of the Titanic. Their shadows mingled on the deck, as if the world made way for them. However, their happiness was short-lived. On a cold night, as most passengers slept, the Titanic collided with a massive iceberg. The ship shuddered violently, waking and panicking the passengers. Jack and Pearl, startled by the disaster, quickly donned life jackets and rushed to the deck. The lifeboat preparation was chaotic, with passengers desperately seeking survival. In this critical moment, Jack helped Pearl into a lifeboat. Reluctantly, she did not want to leave Jack, but he insisted she go first, his eyes filled with determination and sacrifice. As the lifeboat lowered into the icy waters, Pearl tearfully waved goodbye to Jack, her heart filled with gratitude and sorrow. The Titanic eventually sank into the seabed, and Jack, along with many who could not escape in time, perished in the cold Atlantic. Thanks to Jack's sacrifice, Pearl survived, forever cherishing their story and Jack's desire for freedom and dreams. That is the story of the Titanic. What other stories would you like to hear? Feel free to leave a comment, and we will create them as soon as possible. Don't forget to follow, like, and turn on notifications to not miss our latest videos. See you next time. Bye.